Good evening. This is Luke Thomas here, QuakePrediction.com, the Earthquake Forecast Center. It is 8:38 in the evening on Saturday, March 6th, 2021. And we're going to go over to our earthquakes that have hit in the last 24 hours, actually during the last couple of days. It's been a few days since we had a video. We've been working on a new forecast model, earthquake forecast model, brand new earthquake forecast model. We've used some of these methods over the past 15 years, but it's revised and the perfected forecast model works very well with many of the different large earthquakes over the past 15 years. So during the last few days, we got a 6.3 earthquake over here in western Greece, northwest Greece. Large earthquake there, then a 7.3 in northeast New Zealand. And we can zoom in on that, 7.3. And then a 7.4 in Chromatic Islands, and then an 8.1, a very big earthquake there, 8.1 on March 4th, and then a 6.3 in Chromatic Islands. Of course, we've had a lot of aftershocks, and a 6.3 in Northeast New Zealand. And just recently, we got a 5.2 earthquake up in New Zealand. No, I'm sorry, in Iceland, right there, 5.2. So significant earthquake there. And there's been quite a few near Reykjavik, 5.2 here, and a 4.0 and a 4.5 and a 4.4. So let's go to our California forecast and just a couple earthquakes here. There's one out here in southern Nevada. It was a 2.6, pretty quiet. That's going to change tomorrow. This is our new forecast model. And it's very exciting. It's worked very well with all the large earthquakes during the last 15 years. And we have a high risk here northwest of LA, and then a high risk down near the Salton Sea. There's two hot spots here, one near northwest of LA and now near the Salton Sea. And expecting at least a 4.0, could be larger, could be a 5.0, maybe a 6.0, but at least a 4.0 to 5.0 earthquake is likely in Southern California tomorrow, March 7th. Could happen tonight, either northwest of LA or in the Los Angeles area or down near the Salton Sea. The highest risk area is here northwest of LA, but there's other portions of this forecast model that are pointing to the Salton Sea. So look for that during the next 24 hours. Up in Alaska, and there was just a 3.2 here east of near Valdez, east of Anchorage just a while ago. This is for March 6th and March 7th. There's a high risk here southeast of Anchorage out here in the ocean there, and could produce a 4.0 to 5.0 earthquake out there. And that's during the next 24 hours. And over in Chile, we're going to be updating all these forecast maps in the next couple of days. High risk offshore there, and 80% risk here near Copiapo, south of Antofagasta. Copiapo here could get a 4.0 to 5.0. And southeast of Santiago could get a 4.0 to 5.0 there. Most of the high risk remains offshore here. And in Italy, there's a very high risk here in west of Bologna. So this could produce a 5.0 earthquake east of Genova, southeast of Milano, and west of Bologna. Anywhere in northern Italy, it's very high risk right now, could get a 5.0 earthquake during the next 24 hours. The highest risk is just west of Bologna, Italy. And our Japan forecast, there's a moderately high risk in near Akita and Iwate Prefecture up in the north. That could get a 4.0 to 5.0. Not a really high risk, but moderately high risk there in northern Japan. And our last forecast is over in Greece, where they got that 6.3 up here in near Larissa. And this risk now remains for the next 24 hours is up near Albania, in northern Albania, down into northwest Greece. And here's a small area here in western Greece as well. So 4.0 to 4.5 is possible in this area in Albania. And we'll check that area right now. We'll zoom in on that area. So this high risk area is of northern Albania down into Macedonia. The highest risk is up here in northern Albania where 4.5 is possible. The highest risk looks like in Italy. Italy has the highest risk right there, 95% risk area west of Bologna. And Alaska has that high risk southeast of Anchorage. That could produce a 5.0 earthquake out there. And the California forecast, this could produce a 4.0 to 5.0 northwest of Los Angeles or near the Salton Sea. So watch both of those areas during the next 24 hours. And thanks again for joining us here at QuakePrediction.com. We're always researching and refining our forecasts. We've been doing this for 15 years, since 2005. So we're going on our 16th year of earthquake research, always perfecting the methods. And this method we have now, this forecast model, is very exciting. And we looked through the past and found it worked very well with all the large earthquakes, including the Japan 2011 earthquake and the Kumamoto earthquake in 2016 in April, and the earthquake in November of 2018 in near Anchorage, Alaska. So stick with us. We got some great forecasts coming, and we will have another video tomorrow night. Thanks for watching here again at the Earthquake Forecast Center. And this is Luke Thomas, QuakePrediction.com. Thank you so much.